Hello everybody, this is Jeff, your Hawaiian Brokenic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So a while back, I did an axle assembly swap on my 2015 Chevy Silverado. And the reason why I did that is because I had bearings blow up in the assembly, causing metal to go through the entire assembly, pretty much blowing up my differential. So I went from a 2015 year model axle assembly to a 2018 axle assembly, which had the max trailering package. And what that means is it has a 9.76 carrier and ring and pinion set. So in this video, I'll be doing an autopsy on my original axle assembly to see what kind of damage was done to the carrier. So with that said, let's start mechanicking. Okay, so this is the original axle assembly, 9.5 inch GM. So first we need to get the cover taken off. These are 10 millimeter bolts. Okay, so I've already drained the gear oil out of here, and just taking a look at the gear here, the ring. There's a lot of wear there. Now about 3 or 4 years ago, I did the axle or ring and pinion swap from a 343 to a 456. So let's get these caps off. And these are going to be a 18 millimeter. Wow, there's like sparkles in there, there's metal in there. That's pretty worn. Oh yeah, sparkles, sparkles. So what I'm going to need to do is remove this pin right here so I can push in the axles and remove the C-clips so I can pull out the axles and remove the carrier. So that's going to be a 10 millimeter bolt. What I do then is slide it out like that. So now all I need to do is just push the axles in, and that should reveal the C-clips in there. So I'm going to take a soft blow hammer and see if I can't get these axles to move inward. That's one. that's the second one. Just taking a look at this, boy. It's like it's pretty worn. You can see it's pretty bad. Set that down. Now I'm gonna pull out the axles. I can pull out this carrier. Now this is a brand new axle that I installed a while back. Okay, that's one. Okay, there we go. Oh my. You can see that there's wear on this for sure. Oh yeah. You can see right there where the failure is at. The bearings pretty much chewed right through the axle. Where probably where that metal came from. Yikes. All right, let's get this removed. All right, so I'm just letting you know that none of these parts in here, this carrier is pretty much toast. It's not salvageable. Metal went through the entire, all the inner guts and everything like that. So, I mean, I would never take a chance to rebuild this at all. I'm going to take a crowbar, see if I can't get this loose. Got that one loose. Get this one. Seen it pop up. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah, success. Well, the races look pretty worn. There's metal there. Oh yeah, that's not good. We got pieces of metal. Oh my. Oh, wow, it's totally missing. Two of the teeth are like completely broken off. Huh. Wow. All right, let's take a look at this. Huh. Look at that right there, gone. Let me zoom in really quick. Yeah, that's totally gone. Huh. And that probably just tumbled around the entire, in the carrier, through the gears, and just like totally tore up the bearings. All right, time to get the pinion gear out. Get that bit. This is a 32 millimeter. Trying to get the big guns out. Hopefully I don't like hurt myself. Ooh, it fell right out. Yowza. That didn't take much. All right, well, let's take a look at this pinion gear. And there you can see, we got 2 teeth that are missing. I mean, that sheared right off. And here are the pieces right there. I mean, how did that go? Like that? And like that. Oops. That's how it went. It was pretty sudden. There was a big bang and then this loud clattering noise. And that's what caused it right there. Now on the carrier itself, I tried to remove these bolts, but I spun, a couple of them here. I marked them on the heads there, and yeah, they're pretty much fused to the carrier. Initially, during installation, you put red Loctite. Now, I could take a torch to it to have it removed, but it's pretty much a total loss. It's not salvageable. There's metal throughout the entire inner workings of it, so none of that can be reused. So this is pretty much gone. And then as far as the axles are concerned, I got that one axle right here where you can see it's like just totally worn down. I mean, wow. So this is a loss as well. One of these suckers costs a couple of $100. And if you guys have been following my channel, I've changed out maybe 4 of these already. Here's the other one. This one also, I mean, it looks good here at the base. A little bit of wear there, but right here, yeah, it's pretty much done. So this is also a loss. I guess I'll keep these, maybe use them as stands for something. Maybe I can weld some auto part art or something. So, well, gang, that is it. So, yeah, the pinion gear pretty much exploded in the assembly, causing catastrophic failure. It was pretty neat to be able to go through and do some investigating to see where that noise is coming from. So if you guys haven't already, please like the video and smash the subscribe button. I got a few more things coming up around the corner. If you guys have any comments or any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. This is your Hawaiian Brokanic. I'll see you guys in the next one. Aloha.